Hello everybody, Andrew at Fixology here, and got another video. Obviously, if you're watching this, it is a video. I don't know why I introduced it that way, but yeah, whatever. My brain's been loose for the last month or two, so I'm not too worried. Doing a bulk kind of recording, so it's going to be a couple recordings, edit them, then I'll release them over the next few weeks, hopefully, kind of a thing. So, but this is something that I've wanted to do for a while. A couple other channels do them, so it's not an uncommon thing, but something that I wanted to try my hand at and see if we could get anything fixed. So I did this over the summer. Obviously didn't get to it, but I bought a return. I bought a Amazon. So it's all returned electronic Amazon components, so all electronics that have either been faulty or returned because they're not working, that kind of a thing. So what I think we're going to do this video is I'm going to open it up. We're going to go through what's in there, and I'm going to put in there a whatever it is, like description, model number, that kind of stuff, and then what it's valued at. And then at the end, we'll total it up and see if any of them are fixable. I'm going to go through probably on the backside and double check them because otherwise this would be way too long a video, and my phone that I use for recording only has limited space. All because we can't do SD cards now on newer phones, which I think was a giant loss opportunity, but that's me, whatever. So we're gonna open this up real quick with my dull ass knife. And we're gonna see what we got in here. Ugh. Okay. So we got a bunch of crap in here. Let's see here. Ooh. Alright, first things first I see right here, and you know what? We're gonna make this easier. We gotta look at the inside of it, so now I'm gonna take it and put it on the ground. Well, hopefully it works on it. My apartment's dirty. Okay. Alright, first thing I see here, there are some LED smart sensors, which I'm guessing these are the motion censored ones. I actually have a set of these in my kitchen right now. They work really good for under the cabinet. They're just got like most of them got like a magnet strip, so you just stick them underneath, and then they're magnetic. So instead of taking it off with the glue every time or the adhesive, you can just pull these off and recharge them by USB-C. So these are pretty cool. When I bought mine, I want to say it was like $15 off Amazon, and I don't think these have a name brand on them. Well, cool. Whoops. So it's just some Amazon brand one. So I'm guessing about 15, but I'll put all the information probably along a side here somewhere so we can see how much it actually is worth and go from there. So, all right. If I can fix any of these and resell them, great. Otherwise, if I can just fix them for myself, these LED sensors can be used in a lot of places, so I like that a lot. All right, next thing. I believe that is Snoop Dogg as an elf smoking. Is this like a light up ornament? Snoop Ragdoll. Well, I wasn't going to necessarily open any of them, but this one just really intrigues me. Huh. I don't know if this one even got opened. Oh my god. It said it was supposed to be electronic returns. This is... Oh my. It's an elf on the shelf Snoop Dogg. That is amazing. I'm not even angry. Oh my god, yeah, it's not electronic, but holy shit, is that funny. You know what? I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna put him... Oh man, I think I might put him where my monitor is, or maybe like hang him up here or something like that. For now, I'm gonna put him on my my little thing that I use for sucking away the fumes, my fume sucker. Oh my god, that's great. You know, I'm gonna prop him up right here for now. It's not electronic, but it's hilarious. Oh yeah, Snoop, you're staying with me, bud. All right, well, I don't know how much that's worth. That'll be interesting to try and find a price for. I can only imagine it's only like a few bucks off Amazon. Must have been a gag gift, or somebody they said they liked Snoop but then didn't like that. I mean, oh man, I don't know why anybody would get angry at that. Okay, anyways. Next thing. Oh, no way. So this is one of those like Raspberry Pi like mini Super Nintendo things, so it's got all the games on it. Okay, maybe I will do opening on most of these. This doesn't even look like it was touched. Oh man. Well, good thing I have a second monitor so I can test this shit. It doesn't even look like it was opened. Man, we're gonna definitely, that's gonna be its own video right there. But if this is the case, because I've seen these things all over the place, and I've seen them go anywhere from like, I don't know, I've seen them go for like 80 bucks, I've seen them go for like 20 bucks, so I don't really know what a good price is. And again, they have no name brand. I mean, that always sketches me out. But I mean, at the same time, it's a lot of these things don't have a name tag, so I'm pretty sure it's is it illegal to port them onto stuff like this? I don't really know how that works. I don't know how that kind of information works, but anyways, this is gonna be fun. Put that right by the light sensors. All right, next, let's see. Okay, let's see. Navigation bracket. Oh, come on, a charging bracket. So is this like a wireless charging bracket? Man, it told me electronics. That's not a... Oh. Okay. So it's got a USB-B, a regular USB slot. And it hooks up to a battery? Like a sealed lead acid or something like that? Huh. I have no idea what this is for. I mean, I have batteries like this lying around, so... It said, what, 5 volt out, so it's going to be 12 volt in, I'm guessing. Because I don't know how to get 5 volt in and 5 volt out. That's just not how it works. So, maybe for... It said for navigation mount, so maybe on like your boat, and then you like hook it up with the radio kind of a thing? Because it just needs a positive and negative. Huh. I might have to find one of those batteries. I got like 1 or 2 lying around. I might have to find one that's charged and see if this actually works. Then the only thing that would be, you know, if the mount is actually any good, which the mount is all sorts of torn apart. This is definitely something somebody took apart and didn't like, so something like that can't be too expensive. Again, there should be a pricing on the page, so I mean on the screen at this point, letting you know. I'm gonna guess like 12 bucks. Again, some no-name thing out of Amazon. Not saying that it's bad. Not saying that at all. A lot of the tools that I get are from out of country because you don't find anything. You don't find anything really in the United States that's that easy to get a hold of like this. So. All right, well, we'll go on to the next thing. Okay, the fuck's a butter cutter? Cuts and serves butter with... Okay, so this isn't even electronic. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna guess it's like 10 bucks. What the hell? It said electronics. I feel like I got lied to, but what a surprise. Let's see, 5-in-1 Pokeball charger. EV game controller? I mean, I'm not crazy on that, so... Let's see here. I guess my video might be shorter than I thought. Okay. Okay, so it's got a Pokeball stand. This product does not contain Pokeball Plus. And then, is there a ball in here? No, but it's got a carabiner and a cover. What is this for? For NS. Well, at least it's got a name brand, Dobie. Quality guaranteed since 1999. Very interesting. I mean, I'll look it up and put the pricing up on here. I have no idea what this is for. The only thing I can remember is I think it was on one of the Wiis. There was that like wireless Wii ball that you could hook up to Pokemon games, and you can use it to throw and catch Pokemon. Unless you can do the same thing with Pokemon Go or something. Huh. And it doesn't even look like it was opened either, so this is interesting. Okay, well, probably be in a video where I'll have some of the smaller things that I'll take apart and test them, because if they test and they work, then there's really not much of a video behind it, so. I'm going to guess this is probably around 20 bucks. Just because it's got a name brand behind it. It actually feels like decent quality here. It's not something too cheap. The casing's nice. It's got good color to it as well. I mean, the box it came in doesn't really give it much to work with, but, you know, a lot of the Amazon stuff comes looking like this, so. Alright. Let's go on to the next one. Power of Level Activation. Is this like tarot cards? Oh, yeah, they're tarot cards. Okay, well. Don't really believe in that stuff. I'm sure some of you do, and that's, you know, that's whatever. I don't believe in it personally, so. Although it's weird how a lot of Warhammer stuff, I'm big on like Warhammer lore and reading the books. Never played the game. I don't have the money or the time. I know in a lot of the Warhammer universe, they actually base a lot off of their tarot cards. They're not called tarot cards, but, you know, something similar. Huh. Okay, again, not electronic. I'm like just I don't know who the hell I would give that to. Golf custom weights. Again, not opened. Like, is that for golf club? My knife's too dull, so I'm going to use an X-Acto blade and not cut myself. Which is what I did on my thumb here. That was so much worse a week ago. But yeah, I cut straight down and saw a good chunk of muscle. But luckily it was a clean cut, so it went up pretty well. Okay, so it's a golf weight. Like, what is it attached to? Are there holes on like a driver, like a golf club or something? Because this obviously twists it in. Huh. I mean, I golf a little bit, but not that hardcore. I'll do a little bit of research on it. I don't know, $6 for this, and the tarot cards $4. They didn't look like a particularly cool set. Oh, and that butter cutter. I don't know if I said anything. I think I said $10. Okay, next. Yes, clearly. It'll be great for my next showing. I go by Beatrice. Okay, well, that's obviously cosmetics, and I have absolutely no use for this. I don't know pricing on cosmetics at all, but based off packaging and no label and how light it is, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks at the most. I don't know. I don't even know if anything like this will show up on Amazon, because this might be so outdated already, it doesn't even matter, so. Okay. So I want to say, what, we're like 50% for like funny stuff? I mean, so far Snoop over here has probably been one of the better ones, and then the N64 is pretty neat. More tarot cards. What the fuck? Look, I know some of the tarot cards look cool and everything, but do you really need this many do you really need a lot of sets? Because they all show the same thing. There's just different illustrations. Okay, another $5 set? I don't know. Look, I just went onto eBay, because this is where you'll either get them from like eBay or surplus places, warehouse auction places, and it'll just say Amazon. Well, mine said electronic returned Amazon Electronics. That's what it told me, and obviously, I don't have any way of verifying that. I didn't spend too much on the box, so it's not like it's killing me. Okay. Again, not electronic, it's a bag. But I don't mind a good bag. Oh, no, there's something in it. Okay. Drawstring bag. Please don't be a dildo. Neck hammock. The fuck? I wouldn't trust this on my neck. Okay, I thought that was a bra first. Very small bra. What the? Like, isn't that bad for your neck? Because, I mean, look at the angle. Like, you want it to be straight. You don't want it to be elevated up or down. 10 minutes a day can cervical traction device. 10 minutes a day can 10 minutes. It's horribly misspelled. Can relieve. Is that how you spell relieve? Can relieve neck hammock. Oh my lord. Somebody. Phone wraps around contours of head. Comfortable ergonomic design. Comfortable pads, ears, and base of head. Strong and built to last. Yeah. Spandex bag for easy storage. Wraps a rung, railing, or post/pull. Eye patch, not eye cover. Bungee cord strength, up to 40 pounds tension. Oh man. Why would you buy this? Why does it tell you to put it on a doorknob? What is this thing? How cervical traction works by gently pulling head away from neck. I don't know if that's a good thing. Individuals suffering from arthritis, herniating, and bulging disc serves. No, it's not going to save you from. Oh my god! All right, so this is obviously a gimmicky thing. That's going in the garbage. I really don't care about any of this. Drawstring bangs are always kind of useful, so I might keep the bag, storage and shit like that. It's obviously not waterproof or anything like that, but, it's a small bag. I don't know about you, but I like small bags. Some people got their own little things. I don't mind carrying, like, a small bag or something like that for extra storage, so. Okay, well. So, most of that was useless. So, we'll go over the things that are probably useful, so I'll just pull them all up here again. So we got the Super Mini NES. We got the, what is this? That's the Pokeball charger. This is the bracket with the built-in 2-amp charger. And then we got the LED light strips. So I guess what I'll do is I'll probably do a couple more videos off of these guys, along with the other stuff that I'm going to record hopefully tonight and tomorrow. Hopefully those ones have a little more interest in them. But this is what I got out of that box, which I spent, what was it, $40 roughly, plus shipping and handling. So it was about $50 for everything. Which, I mean, if the Super Mini, I mean, technically that's 800 games on it. So that's got a value that's way more than $50 if it works. But I mean, even if I don't resell the stuff, this is stuff that I got, like, I said, this alone, these could be $80 for a good one. So we will see. Oh, yeah, and then, of course, Snoop here. We got him, which I don't think that has a value. Honestly, it's priceless. It's Snoop Dogg, so you can't be. I mean, not great paint job on his face. Kind of nightmarish, but not horrible. Oh, he's dusty. How are you dusty, dude? But yeah, maybe he'll be the unofficial mascot for this channel. Nice gingery white dude who's got a mascot of Snoop. Kind of quirky in its own way, but it is what it is. So, all right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will do follow-up videos on the rest of it, and maybe I'll give it another shot because, like I said, I bought this over the summer. Wasn't as many returns. Maybe if I buy one now with all the winter stuff, with all the holidays just getting done, they're probably gonna have a huge amount of returns. Maybe I'll do another one in a month or so, and we'll go from there. So, otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Later.